Mishka, settle please. Good girl. Good boy. Good boy, Coleman. Mishka, come on. Yeah. I'll give it back to you. You guys buddies? Yeah, you got a buddy? Coleman, come on. Yes, she's a girl. Hi, you guys. Oh, hi, thank you. Mishka, off, come on. Good girl. Come on. Good boy. Coleman, what'd you think? Is she pretty? Coleman. Good girl, Mishka.